Morning everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about Melbourne Stars and Brisbane Heat match. This is the second match in KFC Big Bash 10th season. The match held in Canberra, Manuka Oval. In Manuka Oval, it is a neutral pitch, good for batting and bowling. It is a neutral pitch. The probable Melbourne Stars starting 11 is Andrew Fletch, Marcus Stoinis, Ben Dunk, Hilton Cartwright, Maxwell, Larkin, Connell, Billy Stanley, Hilton Cliff, Zampa, Delbar Hussain. And come to Brisbane Heat team: Chrislin, Max Ben, Tom Cooper, Sam Hazard, Daniel Lawrence, Jimmy Pearson, Brathwaite, Simon Milanko, Ben Laughlin, Jimmy Kunman, and Jack Wood. Jimmy Pearson is the only option. Jimmy Pearson is the only option to in wicketkeeper section. He will be the only pick. And come to default players. Christian is the default player. Jimmy Pearson is the default player. Maxwell, Stoinis, Zampa, Connell, Ben Laughlin. These are the default players. And Fletcher is a term type batsman. He will give some wicket keeping points and batting points, at least 40 points with his batting. Ben Dunk is also good left-handed batsman. He will bat at one down. He will be good pick in first innings. He will give at least 30 points with his batting. He has good PSL season with 300 runs with 160 strike rate. Labuschagne will not play because he is in the squad of a test series. Tom Cooper is a new signing from Melbourne Renegades, but he is in very poor form, but he is a decent batsman. He will score at least 50 points. If Brisbane Heat bat first, he will be captain, vice captain, best choice. Max Bent is also a good player. He is a hit or miss type player. He will open with Chrislin and he will give at least 20 points. He will be captain for GL and mini GL teams. Joey Barnes will not available. Nick Madison will not available too because they will in test squads. Nick Larkin, he will bat at fourth down for Melbourne Stars. Hilton Cartwright, he will bat at 2 or third down. He is good at in batting first. He will score decent scores if Melbourne Stars bat first. As well as Sam Hazard is also a good batsman. He will open or bat at 2 down. Daniel Lawrence is a good good right hand batsman and off spinner. He will give at least 40 points. Simon Milanko is a lower order for right-arm batsman and bats as lower order. And comes to Adam Zampa is a default. Player. Nathan Connell is a default player. He will give at least 30 points. He will give at least 40 points. Nathan Connell is best for VC in GL, mini GL and SL also. Mujib Rahul and Swepson are not available, so no need to pick them. Ben Laughlin is a leading wicket taker bowler in BBL history. He will give at least 30 points with his bowling. Billy Stanley also a good bowler, but he has very poor in form. If Martin Morkel plays, he will be the good pick and also good VC selection. If Brisbane Heat bat first or bowl first. Dilbar Hussain is a Pakistan player. He has good PSL record and he is a wicket-taking bowler. He will be good. He will good for VC. He will good for VC in GL. Jack Wood is a lifetime orthodox bowler. He is new signing. He will bowl at least 2 or 3 overs. M. Stickett is not available for this match. M. Kunman is a right arm leg break bowler. He will bowl at least 2 or 3 overs. Clint Hinchoff is a bowling all-rounder. He will bat at 6 down. He will bowl 2 or 3 overs. He will credit saver and punt pick. Good pick in GL and mini GL. He is good for VC in GL teams and punt pick in SL teams. These are the list of players, but I am going with Jimmy Pearson, Chris Lynn, Maxwell, Stoneys, Zampa, Nathan Counternail, Ben Laughlin, Dilbar Hussain, Adam Zampa, Clint Inchleaf is your choice. I am going with Clint Inchleaf. He is a good batsman and bowler too. He is a good. Adam Zampa is also good, but I will go with Clint Inchleaf to take more risk. It will be clean sweep or utter flap. Max Brent or Sam Hazlett is your choice. If Sam Hazlett is open, I will go with Sam Hazlett. If Max Brent is open with Chris Lynn, I will go with Max Brent. If Brisbane hit bat first, try to take him in SL team and as well as GL team. Make sure that Nick Larkin, Hilton Carter, Sam Hazlett try them in GL teams as captain, vice captain. But these are punt picks in SL teams. Andrew Fletcher, Ben Dunk, both are wicket keeping batsmen. They will give at least 40 points. You can go with both or drop Andrew Fletcher or Ben Dunk is your wish. I will go with Max Brent, Tom Cooper, Hilton Cartwright. This is my team, but I will go Hilton Cartwright good for mini GL and GL and punt in SL teams. Christian is default captain. Max Brent he is hit or miss type. If he played well, you will clean sweep in SL or mini GL. Maxwell, Stoneys are default captains, captain vice captains. Ben Laughlin, Nathan Contner are good for VC in SL and GL also. Try Dilbar Hussain VC and C in GL teams. I will go with Max Brent or Tom Cooper as captain or Christian or Hilton Cartwright. I will choose Maxwell Stoneys as captain because this is first match. They will not score as much as. So I will take most probably Hilton Cartwright or Tom Cooper. I will go with Tom Cooper if Brisbane hit bat first, and if Stars bat first, I will go with Hilton Cartwright with Nathan Coulter or Ben Laughlin. This is my team. Good choice for VC. He also VC. He is a default captain and VC. He also default captain VC. He also the captain for and VC choice in SL teams. Chrislin, Maxwell, and Stonis are default captain and vice captain selections. Clint Hinchliffe is good for VC in GL teams. Ben Laughlin good for GL and Dilbar Hussain are good for vice captain choices in mini GL teams as well as SL teams. This is my team. You can go with different combinations according to you. Thank you and subscribe my channel. This is my first video. If I make any mistakes, please ignore it. I will improve my skills and subscribe my channel. Thank you.